Hi everyone, this video is to show you how to create an account via the MBA.org website. So once you are on the home screen right here, if you come over here and click on the sign in page, this will take you over to the login screen. If you're not sure if you already have an account, go ahead and put in your email address in here and then hit the forgot or reset password. This will at least let us know or let you know if you have an account or if the email is registered already. If it is not, go ahead and click on create account. This will take you over to the creation page. For this, I'm just going to put in a few pieces of test information. And then I really want to show you how to find your company. So once you start typing it in, it will pop up. The one thing that I do want to make sure of is if you start typing it in and it says, if you cannot find your company, please create a new company account. Please make sure to try different variations of the spelling, or like I put a period right there after the Mr. and it did pop up. So definitely make sure to try different variations before you create any new company. So once you create that, it will autofill some of the information down here under the business address, so you won't have to fill that in. You can fill out the rest of your information here, email, password, a hint, and the rest of it should be filled out. Once you can select I am not a robot and then hit submit, you will receive an email confirmation with a login link, so you can log in and do anything that you wish. So if you have any questions, please feel free to give someone from the membership team a call. Hope to see you soon. Thanks.